Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus device. So just to use the Wi-Fi on your device, you should first open the Settings app and tap to Connections. After that, near the Wi-Fi, you will see the switcher. Just to activate Wi-Fi, tap once on the switcher, go to the Wi-Fi section, and you'll see after that here all the available networks. We can select one from these networks. Let's use this one. Here we should enter the password. To see the password, to have no mistakes, just click on this eye icon. After that, just enter your password. I'll enter it out of screen. So you can use the auto reconnect switcher, then just tap to OK. Wait a couple of seconds. And now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. By the same way, you can use just all of these and other networks, enter the passwords, tap to connect, and after that just switch between them when you have just slow internet connection. So just if you wanna forget the password or to share with your QR code with the password of this network, you should just use to the sections just by click to forget or to QR code. Just turn off the Wi-Fi. You should also use this Wi-Fi switcher to turn off just the Wi-Fi. Just click on the switcher to turn it on or turn it off. So also we get one more way how we can do that. Just first open the notification panel shortcuts, then you'll see here the Wi-Fi icon. Just to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, just click on the switcher. When the switcher, the Wi-Fi icon is in a blue color, so this means that the Wi-Fi is activated. Just to launch Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon, and now we'll just launch the same settings, and we can select one from these available networks. Just enter the password and tap to connect. So that's it. That's how to turn on and turn off to connect your device to Wi-Fi. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.